You guys, I have some huge news for you. I am so excited. Actually, two major things, something that just launched, two very big things that just launched. My raw vegan course. I've been working on this for a long time and it is amazing. I am so proud of it. It's 27 videos, multiple PDFs. I actually got a hypnosis recording as well from a world-renowned celebrity hypnotherapist. She personally actually changed my life and helped heal me from a trauma with hypnotherapy. And she did a special recording in it for us as well, so we can stay raw, eat fruits and vegetables, give up the crap food. And it also has a special recipe from a chef as well. It has so many amazing things, helps you learn how to kick the cravings, has a 30-day meal plan in there, a grocery list, literally everything you need to know to do raw for 30 days or to do raw and stick to raw. And what is also awesome is the course is part of a bundle which just launched right now. It just launched today. And it's only on for 10 days. So I've decided to include this course in the bundle. So many people have told me, you're crazy, what are you doing? Because this course is literally worth like 500 bucks. But I'm including it in the bundle, and the bundle is only $50 for 10 days only. I want you guys to get so much value, and I know that these bundles are amazing and you guys love these bundles. In this bundle for $50, you not only get my course, which is going to be priced at $197 US, but you get over 100 ebooks from other creators. So all of us amazing creators have come together and contributed different types of books and courses. So you get enough plant-based, vegan, and raw vegan content to literally last you for years. You get recipes, you get meal plans, you get grocery lists. You get everything under the sun, fitness stuff, self-development stuff, everything to keep you inspired, motivated to eat more plants and to just enjoy all the different recipes. There's so much going on in the bundle and many new books as well. And I'm just so proud to be a part of it. I think it's amazing and it's 10 days only. I will never offer my course for this price again. And I will never include my course in a bundle like this ever again. So make sure you guys pick it up. I know this course is going to truly change people's lives. I gave 3 away already and they are just raving, telling me how much this course is helping them and how amazing it is. And anybody I show it to, they're just blown away. It is so good, you guys. It can help you on your journey. Learn to navigate social situations, learn to navigate cravings, and just learn to deal with this lifestyle and not only deal with it, but thrive on it, love it, because it's just amazing and vibrant and colorful and beautiful, just like you guys. I have the best viewers. So support your girl. Go pick it up today. Use the link down below that supports me and helps me create these videos. And I hope you guys enjoy the course. Grab it, DM me, let me know what you guys think. And I love you. I'll see you in the next one.